Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. We are at 400 subscribers. Yay! I'm so excited. I didn't know that my content will be loved this much. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please continue supporting me. So lesson 4 of the Nyanja phrases. Where are you going? In Nyanja, uyenda kuti. If you're talking to a young person, then if you're talking to an elderly person, we'll say muyenda kuti. Okay, so muyenda kuti can also be used as plural, like the mu can also be used as plural, like when you're talking to two or more people, you can say muyenda kuti. Okay. Then you sit down. In Nyanja, nkhala pansi. Nkhala pansi. That's if it's a young person. Then if it's an elderly person, we'll say nkhalani pansi. Nkhalani pansi. So it can also be used as plural as well. So if you're talking to two or more people, you can say nkhalani pansi. Okay, hope that makes sense. What time do you report for work? In Nyanja, uma yenda ntawi bwanji kunchito. Uma yenda ntawi bwanji kunchito. If it's a young person or your peer, then if it's an elderly person, muma yenda ntawi bwanji kunchito. Okay, where is the toilet? In Nyanja, chimbuzi chili kuti. Chimbuzi chili kuti. You can just say toilet chili kuti. People still understand. Do you speak English? Umakamba chizungu. Umakamba chizungu. That's if it's a young person. If it's an elderly person, we'll say mumakamba chizungu. Mumakamba chizungu. So if you're talking to a group or two people, you can still say mumakamba chizungu. You can still use it as plural. I feel sick. In Nyanja, nimvela kudwala. Nimvela kudwala. What are you eating? In Nyanja, ukudya chani. If it's your peer or a young person, then if it's an elderly person, we'll say mukudya chani. Mukudya chani. So you can still use mukudya chani when you're talking to two or more people. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this point, then I'm very sure you enjoyed watching the video. So please, you subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and please give this video a like and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section below.